Yoo-hoo! Green car's here. I am ready to race. Oh, green car, I haven't seen you in a while. Well. Are you ready to see who's the fastest? Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready to show my energy in front of the whole finish line. Well, how fast can you go? This fast. Like the Flash. You know what? I think we should get him. Alright, you're head of the team. Let's go. Woohoo! Thanks, guys. I promise I'll be the best. Always invite a friend. Especially a race car. Yeah. Wait for us. If you like more race car shorts, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. And if not, that's totally fine. See ya!